Any tips po how you handle tantrums? Mommy Isa, thank you very much for your comments. So for today's video, let's talk about tantrums. No? Now, I believe every child, they throw some kind of tantrums. Pero, are they increasing in your house? Crying, lying on the floor, shouting, being rude, being stubborn, becomes very frustrating, di ba? Pero today, allow me to share with you my personal parenting hack on how I actually manage tantrums, no? So, parents, please stop making these 3 mistakes. Alright? Number 1, are you highlighting or talking about the behavior a lot? If yes, please stop giving too much attention to the behavior and you will notice that the tantrum will decrease. Alright? Number 2, are you changing your no to a yes just because of the tantrum? If yes, please stop doing that. Kasi diba, as parents, we are in control. We know what's best for our children. And we should stick to our decision in spite of the tantrum. If you do that, you will notice that the tantrum will decrease. Number 3, okay? Are you easily irritated at the tantrum? If yes, you have to practice to be calm and in control of your own emotions first. Do not overreact and you will notice that the tantrum will decrease. Now, if I added value to you, please consider to like, share, and follow.